you're doing good. In this video, I will be showing you how to create a portfolio website for free with Canva. The first thing you will need to do once you're on Canva, right below the search bar, you're going to select websites. Once you have done that, you're going to tap on portfolio website and it is going to redirect you to a new window. Once on this new window, there's a few things that you can do. The first option is by going over to the left-hand menu option, you can see different templates that you can choose from. So let's say you would like to create a portfolio website as a photographer. All you'll need to do is select a template, for example, like this one, and you can see the 8 pages that will be on this template. So you can see them right here. All you would need to do is simply tap on apply all 8 pages. Once you have done that, they will be added as you can see there. Then from here it would simply be drag and drop to edit your website. Now keep in mind, let's say for example this front page right here, you don't like it and you would like to add another page and replace this page. All you'll need to do is go over to the left hand menu option and right below the trash can we're going to tap on the add page option right there. After you have tapped on the add page option, you're going to tap on the arrow that says move up. So we're going to be changing our home page. Now we're going to go back over to the left hand menu option and I want you to select layouts. After selecting layouts, you can see different layout options that you can choose from. So you can scroll down and you can see the different layout options as you can see right here. So there are numerous templates that you can choose from. All you'll need to do is scroll down, or if you have a particular idea in mind, you can tap on the search bar and you can search for that idea. So let's say for example I would like to use this layout. All I would need to do is simply tap on it. Once you have tapped on it, it will be added to the page. Now I could add an image right here, so I could go over to the left hand menu option, tap on uploads, and let's say after tapping on uploads I have added this image, drag and place it right there. Then from here I could change the title. So right here where you see your title, I could type in, for example, Jason's portfolio. So I could do that as you can see right there, and you could add a description right there, or you can delete it if you want. You can also add your logo right there if you want, or you could remove that. Once you're finished doing that, you can scroll down and it is the same thing that you would do with the rest of pages. So all you'll need to do is drag and place an image to replace that particular image. So for example, I could drag and place that image right there. And again, you can edit all of the text sections by simply tapping on it and typing whatever you want. And if it is a case that you would like to add a particular page, so you can see right here by scrolling down, let's say I would like to add a gallery page. All I would need to do once more is tap on the add page option, then tap on elements. Then after tapping on elements, I could tap right here where you see design better yet in the top left hand corner. Then after doing that, from there you can either type in gallery, so you could type it in right here and see what comes up. So let's do that, and you can see right there the different options. So let's say I wanted to use this one, I could simply tap on it. Then after doing that, I can place all of my images right here. And again, all you'll need to do is simply drag and place them as you can see right there, and you could do that. And once you're finished, if you would like to move up the page once more, you can tap on move up to move up the pages. Now, if we were to, for example, preview our website by tapping on preview in the top right hand corner, you can see how it looks right here. Excuse me. So this is how our website looks at the moment. And as you can see, while it does look good, it does not have a navigation menu option at the top right here. So that means that persons will need to scroll down to view each page. To change this, all you'll need to do, you'll tap on close. Then we're going to be listing our name in each page. So to get started, you're going to tap right where you see the pencil that says add notes. After you have done that, you're going to go over to the top left hand corner and where you see add page title, we're going to be calling the first page the home page. So we'll say home. After you have done that, you're going to select the second page right here. And let's say the second page is the intro. So we'll type in intro right there. Then after you have done that, you'll scroll down. You'll tap on page 3 right here. And page 3 is the intro. Page 4 right there. You can name that. And you can name that also, as you can see right there. And you can scroll down and you can name all 5 pages. So you can name this page also spring forward. So we could name that page also if you want. So you could change the name right there. So we could call it spring. And you can do this with all pages. After you have done this, if we were to go back and tap on preview once more in the top right hand corner, you will now realize that it has a navigation bar, as you can see right here. And if we were to tap on it, it will automatically carry us to that particular page, as you can see right there. So now it is easier for persons once they visit our website to navigate through our website. And once it is to your liking, all you'll need to do is tap on publish in the top right hand corner. After tapping on publish, you can scroll down and you will be provided with a free domain name by Canva, or if you would like to purchase a domain name, you can do that. Then you're going to tap on continue. After tapping on continue, you can see this is how our URL is going to look, and you're going to tap on publish right here. After tapping on publish, you're going to give it a few seconds, and then our website will go live. And from there, you can share your website and so on. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching. So this is how our website looks, as you can see right here. Thanks for watching.